What is the ego? The ego means I. In psychology, it refers to the physical action of when a person recognizes himself and his personality. How is the ego formed? The psychological explanation is that the ego is commonly created from the mother. That is, since we are in the belly of our mother. If your mother did not love you as she should and abandoned you, possibly your ego is the result of that lack of affection and care. Is the ego always negative? No, it is not always negative, although it is clear that both are equally bad if there is no balance. How to know if my ego is positive or negative? This question is essential to be able to enjoy a healthy mind and healthy emotions. So, if you are a person who is always right, if you lack empathy, if you are arrogant and you don't care at all about others, then you have a negative ego. On the contrary, if you always agree with others' opinion, if you think your word has no value and you go over yourself just to please others, it is a positive ego. However, it is bad. It is bad because this is an example of a submissive attitude. The ideal is to have a healthy ego where our consciousness is objective. When we know our limitations and defects, we know how to take care of ourselves physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Having the ability to feel happy for others' good. If you discover that your ego is not healthy, I invite you to stay tuned for my next video, where I will be talking about how to make our unhealthy ego die. Thank you so much for watching this video and making this world a better world. Please subscribe, share, comment, and thumbs up. Until next time, universal blessings.